In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send songs using Dropbox. Whether you're an artist sharing a new track or just someone wanting to send a song to a friend, this easy method will help you get your music where it needs to go. Let's dive right in and break down each step so you know exactly what to do. Let's start with the first step, logging into your Dropbox account. If you don't already have one, you'll need to create an account, but let's assume you've got that all sorted out. Just head over to the Dropbox website and enter your credentials to sign in. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with your main account page where you can see all your files and folders. Now let's move on to uploading the song you want to share. Click the upload button, which is usually located at the top or side of the page. You'll have the option to upload files or an entire folder, so choose whichever suits your needs. Navigate to where you've saved your song file on your computer, select it and confirm the upload. Dropbox will start the upload process. This might take a little time if your file is large, so be patient while it completes. Once your song is uploaded, hover over the song file. You should see a share button appear. Click on that. This is where you'll create a shareable link to your song. It's crucial to understand that by sharing this link, you're granting access to your file, so make sure you're comfortable with whoever will receive it. Next, a window will pop up with sharing options. You'll see an option to copy link. Simply click that to add the link to your clipboard. Now, you can easily paste it into an email, a chat message, or any other way you prefer to send it to someone else. This makes it really convenient, especially if you're sharing your song with several people or through different platforms. Finally, here's the most straightforward part. Anyone with this link can access and download the file, even if they don't have a Dropbox account themselves. This feature makes sharing super accessible, ensuring your friends or collaborators won't have any trouble getting to your music. Of course, remember that while this method is convenient, it's always wise to ensure the privacy of your files by managing access as needed. And there you have it, your song is sent via Dropbox. This method is simple yet effective, allowing you to share music quickly and securely. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.